And here it is, here's the brand new iPhone 17 with this gorgeous new color. In this video, I'm obviously going to show you all of the new features, starting off with my favorite new feature, which is center stage. So right now, the selfie camera, as you can see, you've got a way much more ultra wide camera, but here's the cool part. You can now tap this button and it will shoot automatically a horizontal photo. So there's basically no need to take horizontal selfies anymore because you can simply hold your phone just like this, and we can shoot a quick image, say hello Robert, boom, and just like that. So now by simply shooting the phone vertically, you've now got a full horizontal image, which is absolutely incredible. So freaking useful. Another feature that iPhone users were heavily waiting on was the 120 Hz display coming to the base model. And as you can see, iPhone 17 is now running on 120 Hz. This is actually a ProMotion display, which is such a great feature to have. Should this feature could have come before on the iPhone? Maybe, but let's just be happy that it's finally here. Now, what this means that you're gonna get extremely smooth gaming. So in terms of Safari, for example, everything just smoothing in general just feels way much smoother. Also, the bezels, as you can see, of the iPhone 17 have also gotten way thinner. Very similar to what happened last year on the iPhone 16 Pro. Same thing is happening now to the base model iPhone 17, getting very thin borders. So big news also for the main cameras right here. So we get 48 megapixels on the ultra wide and on the wide. What this means is basically we're gonna get way better macro photography, way better ultra wide. We saw this happening last year as well on the iPhone, where the cameras got upgraded to the ultra wide and we got way better ultra wide performance, especially in low light. We get way much better images in terms of back cameras as well. Very exciting. The iPhone 17 also gets faster charging as well via wires. So you can get to 50% in just 20 minutes of charging, obviously with a desired power brick to make this fast charging experience. And then additionally, you're also going to get 8 hours of video playback additionally in the battery life, which I can't wait to actually test out. Now there's also a new setting in terms of center stage, and it's this right here in the top. You can basically toggle between auto zoom off or auto zoom on, auto rotate off or auto rotate on. So let's tap on auto zoom and auto rotate. So this is a pretty cool example. I can just show myself here, and then if there's more than 2 people, for example, it should automatically rotate horizontally, or if not, I can just tap on that button right there. I just love this feature. I can't wait to actually use it in my daily life. Also, another feature that I'll definitely be using is this right here, which is dual recording. When you're in video, you've now got this little button right here as well, that if you tap on that, you've got dual capture, as you can see. If you tap on that, you'll now be able to record, as you can see, both myself and whatever's behind me. Now, Apple's actually added also the action mode technology in order to make it very stabilized right here in dual recording. Now, what's cool about this feature is that I can actually move myself around. I can play myself in the bottom left corner, top left corner, top right corner, or bottom right corner. And then once you've decided a corner that you want, you can simply decide whether you want to use the ultra wide, the wide, or the telephoto. And boom, from there, I can now start recording. As you can see, I can show everybody in front of here, and I can still record myself. Apple showcased this in a basketball game where you were cheering for your friends, but I can imagine this being so useful. For example, maybe you just had a baby and you want to record you want to record your reaction as well, but also the baby walking. There's so many different use cases for this, but it works surprisingly well. And then once you've actually saved the video, as you can see, it will save just like that, and then you can decide to play it. And here's how it looks. I don't think you can obviously change it. So once you record it, it just sticks there. There's obviously a lot of Apple Intelligence features built into this iPhone, but one that I personally really like is obviously the A19 chip, right? The A19 chip boosts not only the performance of your iPhone, but obviously the Apple Intelligence performance, and obviously the performance of your battery life as well. One useful use case for the new Apple Intelligence features is the brand new screenshots, right? You can simply highlight this chair right here, and then you can swipe up, and then you're gonna get results from Google. This feature was already available in iOS 26, but now with the iPhone 17, it should act way much quicker, since a lot of these features will actually run on device. Features like Apple Genmoji, Image Playground, and writing tools, all of those features will obviously run way much faster with this chip. Also, if you're a little bit clumsy with your iPhone, well, this one might actually be for you, because the iPhone 17 now has the brand new Ceramic Shield 2, which is actually 33% tougher than the previous generation. We are obviously not going to drop test it right now for obvious reason. In fact, it's actually 33% more scratch resistant, which I feel like scratch resistance is a big topic that doesn't get talked about enough. Just if you talk about keys in your pocket, for example, or just things that could scratch your iPhone. Maybe you brought your iPhone to the beach. Those type of things will obviously scratch your iPhone. Now, Ceramic Shield 2.0 will be 33% more scratch resistant, which is a very, very big plus. Something that you probably didn't notice about this event is that the Plus model has kind of been removed from the lineup because now we only have this size for the base model, iPhone 17, coming at 6.3 inches tall. If you want a bigger iPhone, that's where the iPhone 17 Pro Max will come in, or the iPhone 17 Air, which will obviously have larger sizes. This is the only size that you'll get for the base model, which in my opinion, it's a very strategic and very smart move from Apple's side. And everything else about this iPhone pretty much remains the same. All of those buttons and features that we know and love. We still have the dynamic island. We still have the action button that allows us to customize this button to do whatever you want. In this case, it's a shortcut. We still have camera control, which was a feature that was announced last year that allows us to capture photos straight from a button. You've still got USB-C, incredible speakers, and beautiful, beautiful colors. You want to see the colors? Well, let me show you. All right, so here are the brand new colors for the iPhone 17 lineup. Starting off with black, which is obviously the standard for everybody, and white. Very beautiful colors though. And these right here are the brand new colors. Starting off with this new mist blue, which absolutely looks stunning. It really reminds me kind of the sky blue MacBook that we had in the past. Moving on to sage green, a very light, very pastelish green that I absolutely love as well. And in my opinion, I think this is going to be the most popular color for a lot of different people, and that is the brand new lavender. Very lavenderish, very light purple, and I think a lot of people are going to like this. Which one's your favorite out of all of these? Let me know in the comments. So yes, I am wearing an iPhone right now because Apple has just announced as well the cross body strap. It's also available, obviously, in a bunch of colors, and you can basically tighten them with this little pin right here. So yes, for the first time ever, you'll actually be able to wear your iPhone now from Apple's side. So all of iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and iPhone 17 Pro's cases, so you can see now have these little connecting holes, so you can simply strap this to the magnetic strap. Are you actually going to wear this? I kind of love it, to be honest. I love this green color, and it fits right in. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. So here's all the accessories available for the iPhone 17. We've got the silicone cases for the iPhone that come in a bunch of colors, as you can see, with the tech woven wallets that are obviously MagSafe and snap to the back, with the back straps right here, which come in a bunch of colors as well. All right, and that's the iPhone 17 hands-on. What's your favorite color? Let me know in the comments. If you guys want to keep watching what's new with the iPhone 17 Pro or the brand new iPhone 17 Air, which is over right there, you can just tap on this video right here. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.